I enjoyed riding the Himi. I'd ridden one a little bit off-road. It's perfectly comfortable, it's light, it's manoeuvrable, but doing it by bike feels to be a far better experience because you get those contrasts, you get to feel, you get to smell, all those things. You get a much more vivid sensations, I think, when you're doing it by bike. Just endless curves, endless lovely curves.
A little bit foggy.
A little bit.
I can hear children, but you can't see them.
Invisible children, sir. Like the invisible sisters, 7 sisters.
Yeah, I'm getting this idea. There's a lot of invisible things up here.
Places where we stayed, just outstanding. If you come expecting 5-star hotels, posh hotels, which we're in now, to be honest, which is really nice. But if you come expecting that every stop, I think you would miss a number of the really lovely aspects of the tour. So you stay in traditional types of accommodation. Waterfalls are fantastic. Different waterfalls, from high, spectacular, to cascades. Some you see from the top, some you see from a viewpoint, and some you can walk down and kind of experience being in the mist at the bottom. Just astounding, just astounding. The roads have been fantastic. Come out of that and we've just had some great winding roads. We went to the cleanest village in Asia and it was lovely, really lovely. Talk about busman's holiday though, I ended up meeting a pathologist halfway up a bamboo climb, which is just bizarre. But that, he was nice to meet. From there we went to the tree root bridge, which is just nuts, just nuts. 2 trees either side of a stream, join the roots together, come back in umpteen years, and there's a bridge that's continuing to grow that you can walk across quite a busy bit of rapids. Down to the Bangladesh border, peering through the fence across the border. It's a completely different country. Kaziranga National Park, which was just awesome, just bloody awesome. In the park we saw brown and white eagles, deer, stork, a beta bird, water buffalo, bloody huge, massive, horns, everything. Elephants, both tame that were being used to give rides, but also wild ones that we were seeing just peeping out from the top of the elephant grass. And the kind of highlight of it all was rhino, and it was fantastic. 50 metres, there's a rhino there. My God. into India. It's the first time I've ever been to India, and it was a great introduction to the country. Not just a kind of tourist skirting the edges, but you're actually getting into feeling what the country's like, and that's just irreplaceable. Brilliant. I have to mention the guys, Rajendra and Manu, because it's been an absolute delight with them guiding me along. They're knowledgeable. They're really proud of the country. They're knowledgeable. They know where the good things are to see, and all that knowledge and enthusiasm for the country shows in that the itinerary that they put together is just fabulous. Really impressive.